Hi there! In this video I want to tell you about a very important onion feeding that should not be skipped, because it will help to build up a large bulb. 2 weeks ago I already did the first feeding of onions with potassium humate, which, as you can see, gave a really effective start. The onions have already begun to grow the bulb, but this variety, and I grow exhibition onions, needs other trace elements because it can grow to weigh half a kilogram or more. Therefore this season I will do at least 2 more fertilizations with the following fertilizers. First, I will use potassium monophosphate. I need only 2 teaspoons of this fertilizer for 10 liters of water. It consists of phosphorus and potassium and does not contain nitrogen, which is exactly what onions need now to grow a large bulb, not leaves. Phosphorus will contribute to the development of the root system and thus to the growth of the bulb itself. Potassium in the fertilizer will promote the accumulation of sugar, make the bulb very juicy and help strengthen the plant, protecting it from pathogens. But to make this fertilizer quickly absorbed, add 2 more teaspoons of magnesium sulfate to 10 liters of water. It contains sulfur and magnesium. Sulfur is involved in a large number of metabolic processes and is necessary to improve the absorption of phosphorus and potassium, and magnesium is necessary for normal photosynthesis as it is part of chlorophyll, which converts nutrients under the influence of sunlight into available nutrition. These fertilizers dissolve quickly. We mix them and go to fertilize the onions. I had previously spilled the garden in the evening. The soil is well saturated with moisture, and now we can fertilize it so that the fertilizer is better absorbed by the plant. We fertilize either early in the morning or in the evening so that the solution is absorbed by the soil and penetrates as deeply as possible rather than evaporating under the sun. The fertilizer consumption is 10 liters per 2 square meters of garden, and in 2 weeks I will do this fertilization again, and this will allow the exhibition onion to grow a larger bulb. At the end of the season you will see the result, a generous harvest of this onion, so be sure not to miss the release of new videos and subscribe to my channel. I wish you a quiet and peaceful day, and I will see you in new videos.